Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy SOL on Axiom. To get started, open Axiom and go to the SOL Discover page. This is the section where you can explore Solana-related options on the platform. Once the page loads, take a quick moment to make sure you are in the correct network or chain view for SOL. This helps avoid confusion later and ensures you are completing the purchase in the right place. After you are on the Discover page, look to the top right area of the screen and click on Deposit. This option is where you can add funds or begin the process that leads to purchasing SOL. If you do not immediately see it, pause for a moment and scan the top navigation carefully, since placement can vary slightly depending on screen size or device. When the deposit window or menu appears, click on Buy. This will take you into the purchase flow for adding SOL through the platform. At this point, you are moving from simply viewing the asset to actually preparing a transaction, so it is a good idea to double check that SOL is still the selected asset before continuing. Next, enter the required sample information in the field shown on screen. Be sure to type carefully and review what you entered before moving on. If the platform asks for an amount or purchase detail, make sure it matches what you intend to buy. Taking an extra second here can help prevent mistakes and make the process smoother. Once that is done, click on Buy again and follow the on-screen procedure to complete your purchase. The remaining steps may vary slightly depending on the payment method, region, or verification prompts shown by Axiom or its payment provider. Read each screen carefully, confirm the details, and continue only when everything looks correct. As you go through the final prompts, keep an eye out for confirmation messages, transaction summaries, or wallet-related notices. These are useful for making sure the purchase has been submitted successfully. If processing takes a moment, that is normal, so give the platform a little time to update. And that's it. You have now gone through the process of buying SOL on Axiom. If you are following along for the first time, moving slowly and reviewing each screen is the best way to stay accurate and confident. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide made the process clear and easy to follow.